Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Crafty Sides Wreaths and more. Guess what? I got an order from Craft Outlet coming today. I'm excited. I want to share with y'all what I got. Fall's coming up, and oh, they had such pretty ribbon. I usually get it all mixed up with different things. This time I've mostly got ribbon, and I want y'all to look how pretty. So I'll be making some fall wreaths, y'all, and some fall goodies. And here we go. Check this out. This is Jelena. Jelena's my camera lady. Oh, I'm excited, y'all. Okay, look how pretty this is. Red and white. No, black and white. Black and white, you know, is real popular. There's that one. And then this one is a jute poly mesh. That's for like the farmhouse look. But I mostly got ribbon. And this one. Wouldn't this one make a beautiful snowman wreath? It's ice blue. Wouldn't that be pretty? And I got some other colors to go with it. And then I needed some green to go in the background of some flowers I have in mind for. So got some green. Look, look, look. Look how pretty. It's pumpkins and it's got teal and it's got the leopard look and it's on a burlap. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then the gnome one matches. Look, it's got gnomes on it. Y'all know how I like gnomes. And look, it matches. It matches, it matches. See the teal colors and the orange? And this one has the wood look in the background. Look at that. See the wood look? Gorgeous. Love it. And then I got some basic colors. Look at here. Cheetah in the teal. It matches. See? Isn't that gorgeous? Now one more to match. The regular cheetah. It matches the pumpkins. Won't these be beautiful together, y'all? Oh, just love them. Now, and I wanted this because this is a gingham. It's red and like a cream color, and that would go with so many different things, like a farmhouse look. Love that. Look how big that roll is, y'all. Then look at this one. This is one of the new ribbons. It's got the little edging, little black and white edging on it, and then it's cream colored. That would be really pretty with the farmhouse look too. And I got this one. This one can go for Halloween or bumblebees or just different things. And I just liked it, y'all. Just liked it. And then look at this one, black and white plaid. It's got the small, and look, it's got the edging too. It's a big roll. Oh, they're cute. Sorry, y'all get excited. And well, I must have got two of those. Y'all didn't even realize it. But I guess I might need it. I'll sure probably use it. And then look, the green gingham. This is a moss green. And that would go with fall. I could go with any kind of things. Halloween, so many different things. But y'all, I'm excited with my goodies. I just wanted to share, and I'm glad y'all come to join us. Jelena and I tell you goodbye. Y'all have a great day, and we love you.